Hey guys, you're Marty Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of an external mobile external drive that was actually sent to me so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. And one of the reasons I decided to go ahead and actually make the video is because, like you guys know, it's been years and years and years since laptops do not basically come with DVD drives or CD drives. It was very hard to find a good laptop with a CD drive at all. And of course, especially MacBooks that they only come with USB-C ports. What's cool about this drive is that it's actually compatible with USB Type A and Type C, and it's very, very cheap. This goes for around $29, and I think there's a discount right now. For $10, you can actually get it around $20. I think there's a discount that I saw on Amazon just before I started making the video. Depending on the laptop you have, you might need one of these two ports. I know that a lot of people don't usually buy CDs or DVDs anymore, but there's always one time, that somebody actually approaches you and they have a CD or a DVD, and you're like, oh man, can I burn it? And if you don't have a computer with a DVD drive, so you can't burn it and you're out of luck. So here with this one, you can actually do that, and it's very cheap. So this is something that you can actually keep in your bag, and it's so cheap and slim that it won't bother or hit you that hard in the pocket. So here in the back, you're gonna see some features here. So if you want to read there, you can pause the video. You got some other features showing you guys the cables, and that's it. It shows you that's compatible Windows XP, Windows 203, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 10, Linux, Mac OS as well. And basically that's it. So let's go ahead and take it out of here because this is just a drive. There's not much to see here. And over here is the drive. You're gonna have some instruction manuals there as well, which is very simple. And here it is. This is how it actually looks. It has like a honeycomb pattern on the top, nice blue accent here on the sides, and the bottom. This is where the magic comes from. You got a cable which is hidden, and the cable actually has a USB adapter there, Type A, and the same cable has the Type C adapter as well, which you could use it on MacBook or any computer like the Dell XPS that I have here that I'm going to test it on. It says that it requires 5 volts of DC, 5 volts there. And here in the front, you got the button. You got this button right here, which is the eject button. You got an LED right there, and you have these two symbols right there of DVD and rewritable DVD, blah, 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 blah. So basically that's how it actually looks. So now let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so here we are. I already turned on the computer and we're ready to go. Now keep in mind, of course, this is a Dell XPS that actually has USB-C and USB Type A, which is the old version of USB. In this video, I'm gonna actually use the USB-C just because most of the new computers out there in the market are gonna actually have USB-C instead of USB-A. So here in my computer, my USB port is on this side, and just so you guys can see how fast it actually connects, right? Let's go and see right here. There you go. Let's go and connect it, and it should soon appear there. And keep in mind, you do not need any external drives whatsoever at all when you're connecting this to your computer, because your computer will automatically recognize it right away. So there's no drives to download and install at all. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and try a CD, which is barely used today, right? This is from 21 Pilots. I believe it's the Trench CD, and that is connected there. That is connected over here. So it should recognize over here is already loading up. Like you see right there, recognize that it's an actual CD. Now keep in mind, most of the latest computers with Windows do not have a Windows media player for DVD. So it is recommended to actually use the VLC application. That's the application that I use to watch like movies from DVDs. But Windows Media Player for audio is still available here, so you don't really need to download anything if you're using Windows. So when I double click right there, it will open up media audio, and right now, there you go. You can see, you can listen to it. There you go. You got all the tracks over here. Really cool. So let's say I want to, for example, go in and burn this to a drive, or no, burn it to the computer, right? Somebody lends you a CD. Hey, you want to burn this to your computer? Hell yeah, of course I do. So let's go ahead and show you guys over here. Zoom in there. That way you can actually see what I'm doing here. Here, of course, in RIP settings, you can actually set this to whatever file type you want: MP3 player, Windows Media Audio. Of course, I'm going to use FLAC because it's lossless. Eject after ripping, the best quality, apply, blah, 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 blah. And now over here, I just want to go ahead and rip CD, and that's it. That's all you got to do. And it actually rips the CD pretty damn fast. I already did it before with a couple CDs already. There's not a lot of people that actually buy CDs anymore, but there's always going to be somebody that actually appears with a CD that like physical media. Like sometimes I do like to buy CDs for presents. That's why I actually have this CD. So that's the reason why actually I have the 21 Pilot CD, because I bought it for a present for somebody. And that's it. So like you see, there's burning the music to the computer, and we're just gonna have to wait for this to finish, and then we'll be back. And we are done. There you go. Awesome. And of course, my drive actually spit out the CD. Now that the computer has already burned the CD, let's say, for example, I go to My Music and I go to Albums. Here is Trench right there. Trench is right there. Let's go ahead and open it up. And now it's in my computer. And of course, like you see right here, I actually have the CD in my hands. So now I have, there you go. So now it's burning right there. Now it's on the computer. So let's say I want to burn all this to a CD, right? What I got to do is select burn over there. Boop. Select burn over here to CD and insert a blank disc, which it's been a while I don't burn a CD. So here I got a blank disc right here, and let's go and put it right there. There you go. Man, it's been years I don't burn. And I had these CDs are like 5 or maybe 8 years old, which, wow. I hope it actually works because it's been years I don't use those blank CDs. Let's go back here to the computer, right? There you go. It says drag over here. Okay, so I gotta drag over here the whole library. Now burn. How the hell do I burn here? Start burn. There you go. So it's gonna start burning right there. I can't believe I'm actually in 2019. I'm actually showing how to do this. I can't believe it. But yeah, I just wanted to share, my look or hands-on look of that drive. Keep in mind, when it comes to CD, this thing can actually burn up to 24x. When it comes to DVD, it actually can burn up to 8x. And it's done. Did it finish? Yes, it is. Look at that. The DVD now is burned. There you have it. Now it's burned actually to the blank CD. So now that I showed you guys how this device actually plays CDs and how easy it is to burn and rip CDs, let's go and show you guys how good it is when it's playing DVDs, right? Well, I just realized that this is just a Blu-ray and digital copy, the Avengers Infinity movie that I have. So I decided to go ahead and change to the Spider-Man Homecoming, which is Blu-ray, DVD, and digital. So here is the disc. Kind of sad that this drive is not actually DVD Blu-ray compatible. That would have been freaking awesome. For the price, that would have been a steal. But right now, I don't know if there are like external drive this cheap that can actually play Blu-rays. I don't know. I never checked because, like I said, it's been a while. I don't mess with physical media when it comes to movies. So that's why I don't really know. So right now, let's go ahead. Like, see there, it loaded up really fast, and it actually launched. The DVD VLC player application. So I'm trying to go ahead and skip here to the main menu. Okay, so finally I got it to go to the DVD menu here. Of course, it doesn't matter what DVD you put in it, it's gonna work. Like you saw right there, it launched the VLC player really fast, and that's because I've been using VLC for a long time, and VLC automatically recognizes when I put a DVD and it actually launches it, because that's what I want it to do. Of course, you could change the habit as well. You can also go full screen as well, like that way you don't see the full bars and all that bull crap right there. So it's very slim, and you can put it in any bag whatsoever and you won't have any problem at all. That's it for this video. I just want to share my hands-on look of this device. Let's go and finish this right here. I'm gonna go and close it like that. But you know, when you're done with it, all you gotta do is take your DVD out, right? Come on, get out. There you go. Got my DVD out, and you could just unplug it, and that's it. You know, you don't have to properly eject anything, because it will, this is, like I said, this is a truly plug and play experience that you're gonna get. And the cool thing is, since it is so damn slim, you know, it is so damn slim and portable, that you could just put it in any pocket inside of a bag, and you never know when you might need one of these. And this is very cheap, so I'm gonna leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in getting one of these. I know it's 2019, but you know, in 2019 we still, you know, there's still some people out there that uses DVDs or CDs, and you might want to burn one of them, you know, or you might be at a Redbox or something like that, and you're like, man, you know what, I want to rent a movie, and I just got my laptop. So you just rent a movie at Redbox, and voila, you got your DVD player here. You're welcome. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about DVD drives, external drives. Do you use them or not? Do you have a computer that actually has a DVD drive in it? So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in getting one of these. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.